So take a look at the JBL Wave Beam, and here you can see that here they are. Now they're closed stick design for these JBL earbuds, and there's a bit more information on the back, but let's not do and take a look in the actual box itself. So we open these up. So there we are there. So we'll start by looking at the actual pebble shape of the earbuds. So there they are just there. Now you can see there's the pebble shape just there, and we open it up and have a look. Now there's the earbuds themselves. Now again, that's the closed stick design we were speaking about just before. So I'm going to go back to the case shortly. So there are the earbuds just there. Now the earbuds themselves have 8 hours of battery life in each earbud. Now what I like is see the shine on them there as well. They're actually quite a nice looking earbud. And there's the earbuds where you can change each one. You get actually 24 hours of these in the case, but don't worry, you get 2 hours of battery life with just 10 minutes of charging. Pop them back in. Now it's a magnetic case as well, so if I put these in here, you'll see what I mean. So pop them in here and see they don't come out when you open them up. USB-C charging on the back there. You've also got the indicator as well for the battery life there. So if I open that up, you should see that flash when I take them out and put them in. See, it comes on. So it does, now these have got noise cancelling as well, which is great. They're IP54 for dust and water resistance as well. And it's also IPX2 for the charging case as well, which I think is a nice little touch. These are also compatible with the JBL headphones app as well. And they do have JBL noise cancelling in place too. So there they are there. Again, I'll bring that a bit closer. So there's the case compared to the size of my hand. Nice and small and nice and narrow. And there are the earbuds as well. Now again, you could control these by touching either earbud as well, similar to all the other JBL ones we've had. Let's go back to the case and have a look. So you've got the JBL instruction guide, and you've got the USB cable in there as well. You also got the wingtips you can use to change it too. Now these also use the smart ambient-aware as well, which is good when you're using them. So it picks up your voice if you're talking to people as well, so they can hear you when you're using them. So very nice little earbuds, and as you can see, they are very, very beautiful. So there are the JBL Wave Beam just there. So put that in, and so I'm going to get just there. For God's sake. And there they are just there.